so functional. You can use the hand as a scratcher. It's like a back scratcher. Multifunctional. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today's episode, we're gonna check out the God of War 86 from Joytoy. So this is it, the white version. Now if you're new to the series, most of the Joytoy Mecha comes with a pilot. Again, this is a 1/25th scale action figure. This is not a plastic model kit. And I guess it comes with a Mecha manual in Chinese and English, trying to tell me what to do here. Let's check out this thing. Okay, have to fix this later. And I guess the cockpit looks pretty good, nothing too special. Now, let's check out the weapons. Yes! It comes with 2 guns, 2 swords. Not sure what are these. Here's the pilot. And just a bunch of random stuff here. First impression, the colors, the weathering, the way it feels, everything is pretty good so far. Not bad, not bad. But it kind of reminds me of this video game. Check this out, people. What do you think? The mecha, the pilot, the weapon. Don't you think it kind of looks too similar? But again, they're all mechas and pilots and robots. Anyways, we have the pilot. Here's some joints and stuff. Now the head movement is pretty good, and we're gonna check out the arms. I kind of like the joints, the shoulders, supposed to be very well articulated, and you can just twist. Okay, it just came off like that. Anyways, the ankles are pretty good, the knees, you can bend in a very natural way. So, okay, the helmet, you can just fit right into the head, and okay, it looks good. Now let's check out this tiny handgun. Gonna fit right into the holster. Yes, it comes with a belt, a helmet, a holster, salute. Actually 2 holsters. And you can make some random poses. Just like that. I'm not sure what I'm doing. This pilot, it's actually about 7 centimeter tall. I think that's about 3 inches. You can actually make some pretty cool poses like this. Let's move on to the big guy. So there are a few things that you need to do, right? Figure out the parts and try to put them together. So some of you might struggle, just like I was, trying to twist and turn and trying to make sure that I got everything together. So here's the magazines for the guns, I suppose. And here's a canister. You're supposed to just put it in like this. And after you get everything done, you're supposed to just put it on to the different parts. You have to twist and turn and squeeze. I think, okay, it works. This is the right leg. So basically you have to do everything twice, right? The right part and also the left part. And I figured out that you can actually take out the arms and again twist and turn and squeeze. No big deal. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Now this is the back of the mecha, and I believe that this is for the sword in ×2. Oops, something pop. It was a pretty fun and interesting experience, but I'm going to show you some of my favorite things about this Mecha. So over here, I actually found out about this accidentally. You can actually open it up and check this out, guys. Whoop! But you know what is my favorite part? It's the hands. It is as big as Lana's hand. Now, if you can just open it up and look at the joints, guys. Okay, obviously, this guy doesn't have 4 fingers, but it doesn't matter. So you check out the joints, and it's pretty good. I'm amazed, guys. Now we want to check out how does it work with weapons. So I take this gun and just, man, I'm not even gonna say anything about this. Just watch it. Alright, so it's supposed to be highly articulated, right? Even for the legs. But here's the thing. Can you guys hear it? It's a little bit tough to turn on the hips. And oh my goodness, it's like I'm trying to eat a chicken wing. So I was struggling with the legs a little bit. Oops. Okay. Sure, you can take out the foot as well. Why not? Just take everything apart, right? I kind of wish that you can turn the head, but I guess it's fine. If you check out the cockpit, there's not much going on inside. I think other than that, I'm pretty pleased. I guess I'm pretty pleased. Overall, I'm happy with it. But I want you guys to check out the details of this thing right here. Now, if you check out the chest area, this is the logo, I believe, for this series. It's just very detailed. I like the decals. Caution, everything caution, blood for blood. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this purchase. I would give it a 9 out of 10, or maybe 9.5 out of 10. I just kind of wish that certain parts are not that hard to play with, especially the joints. So let's take this thing out. I guess it's better now. I'm not sure. Ooh. Right, it's kind of hard to twist and turn, or is it supposed to be like this? I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure. Okay? Man, this Joytoy Mecha is super functional. It can be a back scratcher, neck scratcher. You see, hand as big as Lana's. If you want to get something like this, you can go to AliExpress, you can go to Taobao.com. But if you live in Malaysia, please check out citytoys.com. Fast shipping, awesome customer service, and check out the way they package this robot. Cardboards on the side. Genius. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'll see you the next time. Road to 200. 200. Let's go.